If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then in that case we can use an app that we already have on our phone, and that is MI Mover. If you open it for the first time, we need to agree to the permissions, and of course we need to select that we want to transfer items to this phone. So we need to select new. Then over here we need to select what is our old device. If you had Xiaomi or Redmi or Poco, then you should be able to choose Xiaomi over here. If you have any other Android, then you can select Android, and of course in case you have an Apple device and you want to select Apple. In my case this is Motorola, my old phone is a Motorola, so I'm gonna select Android. We can allow access for MI Mover to random permission, to have access to different stuff on our phone so that it can actually move files. And we need to scan the QR code on our old phone in order to download the MI Mover, the same app that we are using right now. So if you cannot use the QR code, then you don't have to worry about it, because you can go to the Play Store and then you can search for MI Mover and you should be able to install it over here. So this is the app that you want to get. Once you have it, just open it. And of course on our old phone we want to select that this is the old phone, and now we are searching for the new device. So on our new device, select that we have installed the app, and now let's wait. Our new device, our Xiaomi 15 Ultra, will turn on the hotspot so that the old phone can be connected. There we go, we have detected our Xiaomi 15 Ultra, so let's connect. In case you have issues, there is an option to connect manually as well. And let's see if it works. This might take a couple of seconds, it shouldn't take too long. And once we are connected, you should be able to choose what you want to transfer. You can transfer images, messages, contacts, and call history, as well as audio, video, and documents, and third-party apps, at least those that are supported. So in my case, I'm gonna uncheck the other stuff other than images, because in this example, I don't really need to transfer anything. And then we can press send button. And there we go. Now we need to wait. Oh, first we need to select that we don't want to turn off or switch double LAN hotspot. Let's check all these two options and let's press send again. And there we go, we are now transferring data. And done. So it was quick in my case because, well, I just had to transfer 4 images. So we can press done over here and done on our new phone. And everything that we have transferred from our old phone should now be located on our new one. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!